morning to all. I'm Jewel. I'm going to tell a story about two young parrots. Once upon a time, there lived two parrots in the forest. They built a nest in a banyan tree. They had two young ones. They lived happily. Every day, the mother and father parrot went out to gather food in the morning and came back in the evening. One day, when the mother and father parrot were away to collect food, a cruel hunter took away the baby parrots. One of the baby parrots managed to escape from the cruel hunter and landed in a hermitage. There he grew up, listening to kind words and compassion. The other parrot was taken away by the cruel hunter. There he grew up, listening to the hunter and his family. One day, when an old man was resting outside the hunter's hut, the hunter's parrot saw the old man and said, "Fool, why are you here, fool? Leave, I will cut your throat." The old man was scared and walked away. On his journey, he reached the hermitage where the other parrot was. And the other parrot saw the old man and said, "Welcome, sir. You are free to stay here as long as you want." The old man was surprised and he said, "I made a similar parrot somewhere else, but you was very cruel. How come you are so kind?" The parrot said, "Oh, that must be my brother. I live with saints and I learned saints language. My brother lives with hunters and he learned hunters language. That's why we